The difference between loose natural maintenance and Microloc maintenance is crazy. So I'm gonna tell y'all a few ways that giving my daughters Microlocs really changed our hair care routine. Obviously, detangling. There's no more detangling. I do not have to detangle their hair. I just pull apart their locks. That takes 15 minutes versus when they were loose natural and it used to take me anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. I will give a disclaimer that I mostly like hand detangled and I didn't use a comb throughout their entire head. Of course, without having to detangle, my daughters do not cry as much. There's not extended long periods of crying and yelling, them anticipating their hair being snatched and hurting. We just avoid that. Now, sometimes there is a few locks that have fused together and I gotta do a quick little pull apart and they're like, ah! Or my youngest daughter be like, Mama, be gentle. But as far as like all that like hollering, screaming, crying, that ooh and that they don't do all that. Wash day is just stress free. First of all, I don't have to worry about detangling after wash day. But secondly, wash day is a lot quicker. I do not miss shampoo. It is so easy to see their scalp and to get all the shampoo out. It is just a world of difference than loose natural where inevitably I miss a spot. However, I'll be honest, conditioner is harder to get out. That's a negative for the Microlocs. I have to tell the truth. Conditioner is so hard to get out. I usually miss a spot. So daily maintenance. Again, a lot easier. I spray and I style their Microlocs. That's it. I don't have to worry about parting. I don't have to do anything except spray and style. Daily maintenance with loose natural hair sometimes look like that because I did do a lot of single twists. However, it didn't always look like that because sometimes I just blow dried their hair. It was in a ponytail, it was in 2 braids, or it was just in braids, and that required a lot more maintenance. And like there's never ever any crying with daily maintenance. I thought detangling was the most obvious one, but actually I think this is the most obvious one. There's no takedown. I don't have to worry about taking down a protective style and restyling their hair. I have to worry about retightening their hair. Now that does take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours every 4 to 6 weeks. However, I break it up and I don't usually make them do one full day getting their hair done unless they kind of like want to or we're in a time crunch. Generally, we can split it like 3 hours one day, 3 hours the next day. And yeah, that just has completely changed the hair game for us. Not only that, their hair is super healthy, super long. It's beautiful. I did a great grid. They look great. My girls wanted them. They asked for them when they were like 5 and 6. They know that they can take them down if they don't want them later on. I know how to take them down. I can retighten them myself. I don't have to take them to somebody else. I don't have to worry about somebody else snatching their head, not caring if they crying. Like, it's just so much better for me personally. I would recommend Microlocs to literally any mom that struggles with any of that other stuff and it's a problem for both them and the kid. But if you have any more questions about Microlocs, about little girls with Microlocs, ask me because I know what I'm talking about. But I love you guys. Bye.